Good morning, everyone. So, Sanila ma'am is back. In today's class, we are going to continue with the same lesson only as we have completed till page number 46. Now, we are going to start with page number 47. On page number 47, there are two questions that we are going to do, and then after this, we are going to do the page number 48. Okay, so on page number 47, question number B is a word grid. You all know what is a word grid, as in previous class we have already done. I guess in computer we have done, or if not, then also many of you are familiar with word grid. It's nothing very big, it's just a simple thing. We just have to find out the words out of a bunch of so many letters. Okay, we have to see the hidden words between the scrambled letters. Okay, so all of you take out your book, open page number 47 of the same lesson, that is lesson 6, Bob and his family. Okay, so I will write down the heading. What you have to do is, today we are going to do again the book work only. There's nothing to write in your classwork copy. So only there's a need of book and pencil eraser. That's it. Okay, so question number B from page number 47. I'm writing page number only here. Okay, so wait a minute. It's not visible there, right? Write it little down. Page number 47. Question number B. Okay, question number B we are going to do. So the first question is, now find these words in the grid. One has been done for you. आपके लिए एक किया हुआ है, बाकी words आपको grid में ढूंढने हैं. So first I will make the grid and then I will tell you how you have to mark the words. Okay, so the first word that is done for you is butter. You can see it here. Butter is done for you. Now rest words we have to search. Okay, so first I will make the grid and then I will show you how you have to search the words. Okay, yes. See, now you can see here I have made the word grid here. Now we have to find out the words. As I have told you that the first word is given here. What is it? Butter. है ना? First word is given here. So it is सर्कल्ड लाइक दिस, है ना. बुक में आपके देखो इस तरह से एक सर्कल बना हुआ है उस वर्ड के चारों ओर. इसी तरह से बाकी वर्ड को भी सर्च करके हमें सर्कल करना है. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एग्स. थर्ड लाइन में देखो EGGS, एग्स. मिला सबको. आपको हिडन वर्ड्स ढूंढने, बाकी सब आपके स्क्रैम्बल्ड है. एग्जैक्टली मीनिंगफुल वर्ड ढूंढ के आपको उसको सर्कल करना है. तो वो आपके लेसन के ही वर्ड्स होने चाहिए. सो आपके लेसन के वर्ड्स में से ये है एग्स, EGGS. एंड देन सेकेंड वन इज शुगर, SUGAR, sugar, the second word. And the third word is oven. Just उसके नीचे ही आपको लिखा हुआ है oven. देखो OVEN, oven. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे फोर वर्ड्स हो गए. फर्स्ट बटर आपको दिया हुआ था ऑलरेडी, एंड देन एग्स, शुगर एंड ओवन. क्लियर? So like this you have to find out the words from your grid. Okay, I will send you the pictures later, but like this you have to find out. First try to find it yourself and then for the correction you can use the pictures. Okay, then moving on to the second question. Match the naming words with the pictures. अब आपको pictures और कुछ names दिए हैं उसको match करना है आपस में. So let us see what are the words. मैच द नेमिंग वर्ड्स. आपको ग्रामर टाइम दिया हुआ है. ग्रामर टाइम A. मैच द नेमिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, मैं सिर्फ इतना ही लिख रही हूँ क्वेश्चन. And then the first word is MAN, man. Second is COW, cow. Third is PEN, pen. Fourth word is GIRL, girl. And the fifth word is school, SCHOOL, school. ठीक है, आपको ये 5 वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, इनके सामने आपके पिक्चर्स बने हुए हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक गर्ल बनी हुई है, देन एक पेन बना हुआ है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, इसके बाद एक घर बना हुआ है. ठीक है, एंड देन काऊ एंड अ मैन. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक काऊ बना हुआ है. Okay, and then a man. ओके, इस तरह से आपका बना हुआ है ना. अब आपको मैच करना है मैन विद द लास्ट पिक्चर, काउ विद सेकेंड लास्ट पिक्चर, पेन सेकेंड पिक्चर, गर्ल फर्स्ट पिक्चर, स्कूल विद द थर्ड पिक्चर. इस तरह से आप लोग स्ट्रेट लाइन ज्वाइन करके मैच करोगे और मैच द फॉलोइंग सॉल्व करोगे. क्लियर? यस. Now turn the page and take out page number 48. On page number 48, 2 questions are given. First is underline the naming words in these sentences, and third one is fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay. Now look here, everyone. I have written the questions. Underline the naming words. Okay, 5 sentences are there. So we have to underline the naming words from the sentence. Let us play in the park. आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था, नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर नेम ऑफ प्लेस, थिंग, एनिमल, ऑफ अ पर्सन, राइट. सो उनको हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. सो लेट अस प्ले इन द पार्क. हियर पार्क इज अ प्लेस एंड रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज यूजुअल वर्ड, है ना. सो पार्क, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड पार्क. देन माय फादर इज अ डॉक्टर. Father is a common naming word and doctor is a special naming word. Clear? क्योंकि father तो हम सभी पापा लोग के लिए यूज करते हैं, लेकिन पापा का प्रोफेशन यहाँ अलग से बताया तो उसको हमने स्पेशल नेमिंग वर्ड कहा है. ठीक है. Then the rat ate the cheese. Again animal में आ जाएगा rat and cheese is a thing. Okay. This is a box. Here box is a thing. So underline box. I have bought a new bat. Again, bat is a thing, so underline bat. आया समझ में? फर्स्ट में पार्क, सेकेंड में फादर एंड डॉक्टर, थर्ड में रैट एंड चीज, फोर्थ में बॉक्स, फिफ्थ में बैट. क्लियर एवरीवन? Yes. So this was the naming word questions given in your book on page number 48. Now moving on to the next question. Now look here everyone. The third question of the page, that is C. Fill in the blanks with a or an. आपको a और an use करके fill in the blanks को fill करना है. ठीक है. So the first sentence is I saw blanks elephant on the road. अब a और an से आपको क्या समझ में आता है? Vowels, right? So here is one sentence definition given for this. You all have read earlier that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Vowels क्या होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then all the other letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. और इनके अलावा जितने भी letters होते हैं उनको हम consonants कहते हैं. ठीक है? A is used before naming words beginning with the consonant. और हम A किनके साथ यूज करते हैं? नेमिंग वर्ड के साथ, एंड भी नेमिंग वर्ड के साथ. लेकिन A उन नेमिंग वर्ड्स के साथ यूज करते हैं जो किसके साथ? कंसोनेंट से शुरू होते हैं. जो वर्ड कंसोनेंट लेटर के साथ शुरू होते हैं उनके साथ हम A यूज करते हैं, और जो लेटर्स वॉवेल्स के साथ यूज होते हैं उनके साथ हम एन लिखते हैं. क्लियर? So here some examples are given. Toy, a toy. Car, a car. Bag, a bag. ठीक है. वहीं अगर अब जैसे देखो टॉय, कार, बैग तीनों के बिगनिंग में कंसोनेंट दिए हुए हैं, राइट? T, C, D. Similarly, when we come to the next one, that is use of an egg, an owl, an apple. Why? Because the first letter of these three words are vowels. आई बात समझ में? Yes. So अब हम देखेंगे सेंटेंस में जहाँ पे हमें ब्लैंक्स में लेटर फिल करना है उसके आगे जो वर्ड है that should be a naming word. Also the first letter should be consonant for A and vowel for an. ठीक है? And we use with the vowels only. So the first letter of the word is E. Elephant. Elephant is a naming word. It is the name of an elephant. Sorry, an animal. And the first letter is E. E comes in vowel. So we'll write an here. Clear? Similarly, the second one. Give me dash glass of water. So here the first word is thing. Glass. Glass is a thing, right? In which we fill water and we'll drink. So the glass is a thing. It is a naming word. Also the first letter is a consonant. G is not in vowel. So we'll write A here. Clear? Yes. Third one is my uncle has given me blank's book. My uncle has given me blank's book. Here book is a thing and the first letter is consonant. So we'll write A for consonant. Okay. Fourth one, blanks apple blanks day keeps the doctor away. Blanks apple. So apple here is a naming word. It is a thing. It is a fruit. And the first letter is vowel. A, E, I, O, U में आता है. A is a vowel. So we'll write an. Clear? The next is a day. Why? Why A? Because D is a consonant, right? So we'll write A here. Okay. Next is I went to the market to buy blank's bottle of jam and blank's umbrella. Here bottle is a thing, is obviously a naming word. Also B is a consonant, so we'll write A for the word. Clear? Next is umbrella. Umbrella में U vowel है, so we'll write an for the word. Okay? So this is the way you have to fill A or an. I will give you more sentences for your classwork. Okay? Right now you have to write like this only in your book, and later I will give you some more questions for your practice. Okay? So now we have completed 2-page exercises today. I hope you have completed it along with me. But those who have not, please try to write it as fast as you can, but complete it today itself. Okay? Good day everyone.